Invisalign clear aligners, what the heck is the difference? I'm sure you've heard of Invisalign and I'm sure you've heard of clear aligners. Are they the same thing? Are they different? Does anybody even know? With so many different orthodontic treatments available, it can be very overwhelming, especially when you don't know the difference between two of these big things, aligners and Invisalign. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding between the difference of the two. I'm gonna tell you why they're similar, I'm gonna tell you how they're different, and we'll break down all the important things that you need to know the difference between the two. Okay, so clear aligners and Invisalign are both orthodontic treatments, and they straighten your teeth without the use of traditional braces. The biggest difference between the two is Invisalign is actually a brand of clear aligners. So if you want to think about it, clear aligners is up top. That is the treatment option. Invisalign is a brand of clear aligners. There are other brands out there as well that are clear aligners. All these different companies and brands have different styles of aligners. They all have their benefits and they all have their differences. But all clear aligner systems gradually put pressure on your teeth to move them into the desired position. Invisalign is the brand that's actually been around for the longest. It was founded in 1997. To this day, it is still one of the most popular brands, and there are some benefits with it. They have a patented material that's called SmartTrack, and it's a flexible, comfortable material that allows for precise movements on your teeth. They claim that patients experience less discomfort during treatment and that the results will be more predictable. Something to note, other brands make the same claim. This is what makes aligners so exciting in 2023. So many brands are out there and they're improving their product, and there's a lot more competition than it used to be. You see, back in the day, Invisalign was the only major brand. Nobody else was coming close to how good their product was. But today, there's so many options out there for so many different case types that can get predictable results. If you're using Invisalign, or maybe you're using a different brand, comment below and let me know which one you're using and how you like it. One of Invisalign's biggest things is they actually have a system that allows you to treat teenagers. They also have a lot of data to back up more complex cases. I actually didn't know that not every brand is suited to treat teenagers, because I don't treat teenagers. I refer those to orthodontists. I just treat adults. Speaking of, I want to take a quick second to talk to my dentists out there. If you're watching this video and you're wondering how you can start offering aligners, doesn't matter what brand, I have an exciting opportunity for you to learn how to start offering aligners to your patients. Check out the link in the description below. I created a free masterclass for you to join and learn the basics of aligners. Okay, back to Invisalign. So attachments are a very important aspect of clear aligner treatment because they help ensure that aligners are seated correctly on your teeth. They also help by providing precise ways for the aligner to grab on and move the teeth. Attachments are made out of a tooth-colored material called composite, and they are bonded onto your teeth before treatment begins. When you're done with treatment, they are polished off as if they were never there. So basically, with an attachment, the provider cleans a specific part of your teeth with what's called etch. They place a bond material on there to help bond the attachment to the tooth. And then the attachment itself, there's a well in your aligner that's supposed to basically take the shape of that attachment, and your dentist fills that well up with composite material. That material is the same material that is used for fillings, and it's even used to bond your brackets onto your teeth. That is then placed in your mouth. The blue light goes, which is a curing light that hardens it. This makes everything stick to your teeth. Now that your attachment is bonded onto your tooth, the aligners will sit on your teeth and they will put pressure and forces on those attachments to help tilt and torque your tooth into the right position. That's how attachments work. It's important to know, while attachments may initially feel uncomfortable or really strange in your mouth, you will quickly get used to them, I promise. In fact, many patients even report that they forget that they have attachments on their teeth. This usually happens after a few days. Another feature that Invisalign has are what's called precision cuts or power ridges. This helps provide additional support and pressure on different teeth when needed. Not every case is going to need these, but again, your provider will determine which case actually needs these features. Something to note, because of Invisalign's material that they use for their trays, they actually need the most number of attachments on teeth. Other brands out there don't need as many attachments because they've developed their material to not require it. The jury's still out on how effective this is, but there are a lot of dentists who have a lot of success using other brands. Again, it all comes down to what type of case do you have, what results you're trying to get, and how you're going to get there. Overall, while attachments seem like a minor detail in your clear aligner treatment, they play a crucial role in ensuring the success of your treatment. So if you're considering clear aligners as an option, make sure you're discussing attachments with your provider. So remember, if you're doing clear aligners, whether it's Invisalign or another brand out there, make sure that you are picking the one that's best for you and your situation. Ultimately, use the system that your dentist has been trained on, because that's the most important thing. And if you have any questions, ask your dentist or comment them below. I'll do what I can to help. If you enjoyed this video, please drill that like and subscribe button and share it with anyone you think it may benefit. You can even share this with your dentist. I'll see you in the next video.